DVF 8000T, would you care to start with its main specifications?
In DVF 8000T, 8000 means that the table size is 800 millimeters. The 800 millimeter table can accommodate a workpiece up to pi 1000 by 590 millimeters. It can rotate and tilt the workload up to 700 kilograms. To move tools in accordance with the size of workpieces, the machining center can travel 1000 millimeters on its x-axis, 900 millimeters on its y-axis, and 685 millimeters on its z-axis, up and down. The model is equipped with various options designed to boost machining precision. One of them is the automatic workpiece measurement. The automatic workpiece measurement you are looking at automatically calculates the workpiece offset and immediately feeds the information to the numerical control. Using the device prevents the occurrence of the operator's measurement errors common in manual measurement practices.
I can see a small device behind the table. What is that for?
The numerical control needs to know the offset of various tools. Manual job involves various setting errors and operator mistakes. By contrast, when we are done with tool setting, we run the program, which drives the laser to touch the tool measurement device, read the tool length automatically, and feed the information to the NC.
In the name of the machining center DVF 8000T, I understand T refers to a turning function, right?
Yes. Previously, if you wanted turning work in 5-axis machining, you had to complete the turning process on a workpiece before setting it on a 5-axis machining center separately. Therefore, an additional setting was required due to 2 different processes involved, which took lots of extra time and efforts to complete the machining of an 800 millimeter table size. If the turning work can be done on a 5-axis machining center, the entire process can be completed at one place through a one-time process. The table C-axis is built as a direct drive. When that axis rotates, the turning work is done. Therefore, on this machining center, the 5-axis machining and the turning work are completed simultaneously.
DVF 8000T is a large machine tool. Loading and unloading workpieces on it must be hard.
Convenience in workpiece loading and unloading is crucial as it directly affects the operator's safety and comfort. In DVF 8000, operational convenience is significantly improved through the utilization of the lower space so that the distance between the table and the operator can be minimized. To maximize the front loading space for large workpieces, the model has expanded the door opening size to 1000 millimeters. Usually, a crane hoist is used to load a large workpiece into a machine tool. A door is installed at the top so that it can open easily when a crane hoist needs to reach the center of the machine tool.
I hear that 5-axis machining produces a lot of chips typically.
Absolutely. A 5-axis machining center does a lot of processing at once, producing a relatively large amount of chips. The chip removal feature is extremely important in the machining center because when they are piled up inside it, the chips cause mechanical breakdowns or deteriorate operational precision. So, as you can see, DVF 8000 is equipped with flushing coolants in various spots on its walls so that chips can slide naturally. If chips accumulate or cutting oil continues to be used, the heat from the oil and the chips negatively affect the precision of the machining center due to temperature changes on the bed. In order to block the heat source fundamentally, the machining center comes with a cover that prevents the temperature of the bed from fluctuating.
Since this is a 5-axis machining center, the NC plays a significant role, doesn't it?
The DVF series optimizes operating convenience through the application of Fanuc, Simmons, or Heidenhain NC, whichever the customer chooses to tap. Most notably, DVF 8000 is equipped with the PC-based Kufos Fanuc system. Its 19-inch touch panel makes the system extremely easy and convenient to use. Among its numerous user-friendly features customized for 5-axis cutting are a collision prevention system based on the monitoring of the location of tools and workpieces, a tool management system, and a turn cut function, which are all provided as standard items.
Now, let's move to the side of the machining center to take a look at its magazine.
Because of the process integration involved, 5-axis machining usually requires a larger number of tools than ordinary machining. DVF 8000 comes with a 40-piece magazine with an option of 60, 90, and 120 tools, so that customers can choose depending on their specific needs. The magazine is installed at the side of the machining center, so users can open the magazine door, add tools to the magazine, and remove them from it most conveniently. When handling a number of tools at a time, easy access to them is crucial on the part of users. As you can see, DVF 8000 comes with a touch panel on which users can select and place tools in appropriate locations most easily.
We've checked together one of Doosan Machine Tools' 5-axis machining centers, whose features could be a bit challenging to fully grasp within a short period of time. Thank you for your attention, and don't forget that Doosan Machine Tools offers countless innovation solutions for its customers around the world.